In this video, we show how to replace riser 5 on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud removed from the system, to remove riser 5, first disconnect the two data cables that are connected to the HBM. Then loosen the two captive screws on the rear of the system. With those loosened, then press the release latch and lift the riser straight up out of the system. To install riser 5, align and lower into the system. Press it down into place. Then tighten the two captive screws to secure it. Then reconnect the two data cables to the HBM. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.